Thumbs down.
Thumbs up. Hey there, welcome to Foreign Flavors, where we get to taste food from around the world and talk about culture. My name is Dennis Wong, and I'm here with Marcie Schneider. You know, we talked to a lot of participants and staff about how they share culture when they come on cultural exchange programs. And every single person we've talked to have always said food is a way they share culture, right? Like a lot of our participants, when they come, the first thing they want to do is go to like In-N-Out or go to some, get a hot dog, get an American hamburger and French fries, right? Let's actually try some food. I think today we are going to try something from Switzerland. It's a specialty where they mix chocolate and cheese together. Have you ever had anything like this before?
No, I haven't, but that sounds pretty good.
All right, let's give this a try.
Looks really good.
Not just any dark chocolate, this is Ghirardelli chocolate. I think it's almost kind of like s'mores, but you know, a little crunchy.
Yeah, I think the chocolate is really a little bit like overtaking the taste of the cheese, though.
Maybe the next one we should try melted. What do you think?
I think that's a good idea.
What is the most unique food you've ever had in your
Oh,
travels?
my goodness. Usually it happens in Asia, where there's seafood that you've never seen before and it's alive and kind of still
Moving
kicking,
still.
and it's kind of a little hard to eat politely when you feel something moving in your mouth. How about you?
I would say snake. Tastes very hearty, actually. Very not what I expected, but
Not like chicken?
maybe a little bit like chicken, but definitely almost like sausage. Right?
It was really funny. At one conference, one of our staff wanted to try frog legs. And somebody at the table said, oh, they taste just like chicken. So the frog legs came and he took a bite, and when it was in his mouth, he just had this look of, this is the most disgusting thing. But what came out of his mouth was, this sure doesn't taste like chicken.
All right, so dark chocolate and Gruyere. I think like this match better.
The chocolate doesn't overwhelm the cheese. I wonder why like Swiss people generally are not overweight if they eat cheese and chocolate. You know, a lot of our students who come to the US, especially high school students, they complain that after the 10 months that they're here, they put on all this weight from eating so many hamburgers, hot dogs, French fries, and pizza, and that's not the way they eat at home.
Yeah, I'd say let's try one with a melted version of this.
Okay, all right, let's do that.
I'm gonna pop one in the microwave. Should we use probably like a paper plate for this?
We'll just put that on there.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. This thing is finicky, isn't it?
Oh no, it's stuck.
It's stuck.
You broke it.
How do you unlock it?
Let me have a look.
Oh, here, door open. There you go.
There you go, okay.
Okay, that would have
Did it melt?
helped. All right, don't try this at home.
Do you think they do this in Switzerland?
I think so.
Do
yeah.
they?
I think they have a melted, like it's called a chocolate and cheese sandwich.
Okay, it's kind of like fondue in a way, right? I mean, oh, it's really messy. Thank you, Nick. Oh,
What's the verdict on the melted chocolate cheese?
I say no. Thumbs down.
Thumbs up. Brie and milk chocolate. Let's give this one a go.
Are you a fan of brie generally?
I love brie, yes.
Yeah, I do too. It's a really good cheese.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go on a diet after this.
I am on a diet. That's a problem.
Interesting thing about food, it's a universal language, right?
I mean, isn't it one of the first things you think about when you decide you're going on a trip somewhere? Like where you're gonna eat, what you're gonna eat. If you're going to somewhere like Italy, it's like, oh, I can't wait to have some like real Italian pasta, or you know, Spain, can't wait to have some of that ham or whatever it is.
Absolutely. I'll like mark out in advance, like, oh, I want to hit this gelateria
Yeah.
or this, you know, pizza spot or it's famous or whatever it is. Like, Yeah, definitely. That's in some ways shapes where I want to go to travel.
Yeah, it definitely does for me. I pick where I want to go, like where I want to go eat, even before I go. Always, food's really so important. Okay, I need a quick bite of this one because I didn't really taste it. I was so busy talking, I didn't even try it. I'll try the brie.
Which one was your favorite?
I think I like the brie cheese the best, but I think I like the dark chocolate the best. So I don't know what it would taste like, brie and dark chocolate. This isn't dark chocolate, this is milk chocolate, right?
Milk chocolate, yeah.
Yeah, so, I mean, I'm not really sure, but the brie's my favorite. How about you?
Yeah, I have to say the brie and milk chocolate was my favorite. And then I did like the gruyere and dark chocolate combo too. I think gruyere is also more common to maybe Switzerland. Brie is more French, right? But because brie has a definitely stronger flavor to it. So next time we go to Switzerland, we got to actually try it there, the original.
It's
Yeah.
probably a lot better.
Probably a lot better, yes.
This is pretty good, I have to say. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, what fun.
Well, my first time having this, and so it was a fun experience.
Yeah, we should say, let's go run around the block now.